In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't start your game or can't start your app on your PS5 error. That if you keep getting that error, there are a few different ways to fix this. Now, you'd be surprised on some of these steps. The simplest and the first one you should do is turn off your PlayStation. So go ahead and click the PS button on your controller. Go down and go over to the right to power and then hit turn off PS5. Now let it stay off for 30 seconds to a minute just for it to make sure it's fully power cycled, and then turn it back on and then see if that's the issue. Now if that's not the issue, then we're going to go into our settings. So go to the top right, the settings gear icon, and then go to users and accounts. And then in users and accounts, we're going to scroll down to other. And then here, we're going to click on restore licenses. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to select one, and I'm going to go ahead and hit restore. And then sometimes it takes a few minutes to restore. And then once that's restored, go ahead and try to open up the game or application again to see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then we're just going to want to delete the game files completely. So you can do this multiple ways. You can go to the game itself and select your start button or the three lines on your PS5 controller, and then go down and select delete, and then just delete it from your console storage. And then as an additional step, which you might need to take, is going to the settings, going to your storage, going on your console storage, and then your saved data. This is where you have saved files where you delete the game files, but it still keeps your saved data for the games that you're playing. You still might need to delete those. So go ahead and go into your PS5 games and then select whatever game or app you're trying to launch and then delete that game file as well. Now, keep in mind, this is your saved data. So if this is not the issue, this will delete whatever saved files you have. You'll lose your place in the game. So keep that in mind if you're wanting to make sure you save your spot. So go ahead and delete that, and then one of those three methods should work. So hopefully you can start your game or application. And if this didn't work, and if you found other methods, please drop them in the comments below. Go like and subscribe. Watch every video I have. Like every video I have. Stay on and watch everything. Every tutorial. I have it all. Just watch it all.